In this video, I've got another woodworking project coming your way. I'll be showing you how to make wood coasters for your favorite beverages out of some beautiful red cedar. You want to use wood that's good and dry for this project so your coasters won't crack. I'm using some small sections of cedar trees that have been drying out for over 2 years now, but you can certainly dry out wood much faster than that. I did a video on that topic some time ago, which I'll leave a link to at the end of this one. After your wood is good and dry, or if you buy some that's already dried, the first step is to cut it into sections. Now you can use any kind of handheld or powered saw for this step, but a bandsaw works especially well. If using a bandsaw, it's also important to use a gate or a guide of some kind so you can get nice even slices of wood. But again, if you don't have a bandsaw, you can use a handsaw, a sawzall, or even a chainsaw, but it'll be a little more difficult to get those nice even slices of wood for your coasters. The next step is to get your coasters nice and flat and sanded down. To do so, you can simply sand your wood slices on a flat surface, front and back, working your way down from coarse grit to fine grit paper. I like to start with 60 grit, go down to 100, and finish on 220. Now if your wood slices are really uneven, you can use a power sander of one kind or another to quickly flatten down the high spots first, and then go to the sandpaper. You'll also want to sand the edges of your coasters, which you can do either by hand or with something like a rotary or belt sander, as I'm doing here. After your coasters are nice and level and smooth, you can stain them if you'd like, and then seal them with a final finish. There are many options for finishing your coasters, such as doing a natural oil finish, an epoxy resin finish, or a simple polyurethane finish. Whatever you choose though, just be sure to get a nice even coat on both the front and back of the coasters. I'm using Danish oil for this project, which gave the coasters a beautiful natural looking finish that's both waterproof, or at least very water resistant, as well as highly durable. As a final step, you'll want to put some soft material on the underside of your coasters to keep them from sliding around and also to keep them from scratching the surface of your furniture. You can use heavy felt or a cork material, as I'm doing here. Now you can buy either felt or cork material at craft stores, as well as at most department stores. As you can see here, they have an adhesive backing, which makes it easy to cut out and stick right onto your coasters. And there you have it, my friends. That's an overview of how you can make some cool looking wood coasters for your favorite beverages while protecting your furniture. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.